Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Today I'm going to show you a cool web-based DJ tool that you'll all very much like. What it allows us to do is quick mashups between different songs and try out different things. And we can ultimately pick once that selection is good and then can do a recording in our own favorite app or on the hardware. So go to Google and type up YouTube DJ. And the first link here, you're going to select that. It's youtubedj.com. You'll have a welcome screen like this. Say start mixing. And then it's going to load up a basic 2-deck setup with crossfaders. And of course, it's going to give us very basic functionality. But the best cool thing about this is you are able to search whatever song on YouTube and can try different mashups. So this is a great tool for experimentation. So here, what I'll do first is load up one of the popular mashups here, but I'll try to change the songs and show it to you how it works. So let me first load up this track.
YouTube.com/Tim Westwood TV.
So what you have seen here is both tracks got loaded into the 2 decks here. On one deck we have an old school hip hop beat here, and then the other one is an acapella. So what I'm now going to do is choose a different acapella here on the first deck, and we're going to do the crossfader here. And then the first song I'm going to choose is Still DRE by Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. I'm going to select acapella. So you're able to select between acapellas and instrumentals. So that is also a very cool thing here. So this appears to be the right track here. So I'm going to select the first result here. And let's see. I'm also going to select a position, cue position D here. And then what I will do is also rewind this track on the second deck and bring it to beginning. I'm gonna slowly bring the crossfade to the middle.
It's the DRE. It ain't nothing but mo hot shit. Another classic CD for y'all to vibe with. Whether you're cooling on the corner with your fly bitch, lay back in the shack, play this track. I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
So you've seen that how cool it is to now we can try out these things or any other beat that you like. So let's select another song. I'm gonna see if we got any acapella from Drake. So let me search for that. Oh, here we have Future Drake's Life is Good track. So I'm going to load this one up and see how it sounds. So it's very easy. You are able to search the entire selection on YouTube, which is the best thing here. And it's a easy to do thing. One thing is it doesn't work on your mobile phones or iPads. This tool, this browser based application is only available on laptops or MacBooks, like a laptop. So let me load this track up here. And then what I'm also going to do is rewind both tracks.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood.
Guys, so hope you like it, and please go check out this browser-based DJ application called YouTube DJ. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, ciao.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day home. Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean? Like, $100 for the cheapest ring on the neck finger, little bitch. How the fool when not Spain to be in my domain, automatic bitch. Ooh, got $3 on the ring, cause it's been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the town serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granny, she was standing right down while I catch a play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. Ooh, I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride that stick. Ooh, who gave you pills and gave that dust? Pluto Central and dick. Ooh, too many convicts that rolled me to play in this shit. Ooh, proud about nonsense, getting old, so I'm spreading this bitch. Ooh, they had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody get it. Ooh, I'm on a PJ lining it up, backwood full of sticks. Ooh, I'm trying to tote that Drake on London, and it's extended. Ooh, they gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Ooh, yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie for my bitch. Ooh, we so